here we go. We're gonna plug in to the OBD. All right, and now we're gonna connect. We're gonna take the original key. Okay, steering column lock should unlock. Identifies it, BCM ID, everything. So now we're gonna go to program keys. We're gonna click play. Do you have the PIN code? No, we do not. We're gonna get it from the server. And it should bypass the PIN. There it goes. We're gonna switch it on. We're gonna wait a couple of seconds. We're gonna switch it to lock, remove it. We're gonna insert the same key and leave it in lock. Press OK. Programming. Don't panic if it says failed. It's not a big deal. Okay. Unable to program key. Do you want to retry? Yes. We're going to remove it. Even though it said failed and removed it, the steering column lock unlocked. Okay, so we're going to put the next key in. And we're going to press OK. Do you want to retry? Yes. So we're going to remove it. We're going to stick it in. Press OK. Now I've already programmed it one time, so it may not work exactly right, but it should display. No, we don't want to retry. It says failed, but it actually did not fail. So now the customer has 2 working keys, and the Smart Pro will actually bypass the PIN. All right, guys, that is a 2007 SAAB 93 added key. Have a great day. Later.